May May 22, 2024. We'll go out Mindanao for a while. One thing I want to share this. I'm so thankful to God for allowing me to be to be born, or something like incarnate in the Philippines. It's a nice place, you know. You cannot ask for more. See, as long as you're contented and able-bodied or have a strong personality to raise your family or correct your own self to be a law-abiding citizen and the child of God. So that's the foremost and very important reason why we can maintain peace on earth. So thank you, Lord, for this Mindanao. I like it. I like the weather, anything, everything. Food, environment, yeah, basic needs, very affordable. Well, if you don't want it that way, if this Mindanao will not give you anything good for you, you try your luck abroad or anywhere, as long as you're healthy. So we go back to health is wealth. No health, no wealth. Papa Bot. Bye bye. God bless. Ayun ang sundo.